Managing family sharing. Removing minors under 13.
Hello and welcome. Today, we are going to discuss a very pertinent question for Apple users who are part of family sharing groups. Can I remove someone from family sharing if they are under 13 without their consent? Let's dive in and figure this out together.
What is family sharing?
Firstly, let's talk about what family sharing is. Family sharing is a feature introduced by Apple that allows up to 6 people in a family to share purchases from Apple services like the App Store, Apple Music, and iCloud storage, without sharing accounts. It also provides an avenue for parents or guardians to monitor and control the digital activities of their children, particularly for those under 13.
Can minors under 13 be removed?
Now, on to the crux of the matter. Yes, it is possible for a family organizer to remove a minor under the age of 13 from the family group without their consent. As per Apple's guidelines, minors under 13 cannot create their own Apple ID without parental consent, and they cannot leave a family group without the family organizer's approval. This is intended to provide parents and guardians with greater control and oversight over their children's digital activities.
How to remove a minor from family sharing?
So, you're the family organizer and you've decided you want to remove a minor from the family sharing. Here are the steps. 1. Go to Settings on your Apple device. 2. Tap on your Apple ID at the top. 3. Tap on Family Sharing. 4. Select the name of the minor you wish to remove. 5. Tap on Remove. Do remember that once you remove a minor from the family sharing, they will no longer have access to the shared purchases and services. So, that wraps up our discussion today. As we've seen, the family sharing feature gives the family organizer quite a bit of control over the members of the group, including the ability to remove minors under 13 without their consent. We hope this video has been helpful in addressing your query. If you have any more questions or concerns, feel free to drop them in the comment section. Until next time, take care and stay tech savvy.